Uzi the drum with the mind of her own, breaking the chains that held her alone. Murder drones lurking, but she don't fear. With N and J by her side, she's shifting into gear, searching for answers in the digital haze. JC Jensen's whispers guide her through the maze. Uzi rebellious with a heart full of fire, chasing the truth, lifting dreams higher. From drones to humans, she reshapes her fate. In a world gone cold, still she waits and creates and creates. Learning of humans, the stories they told. In a world of metal, their legacy bold. But as she dives deeper, a shadow looms near. The absolutes over whispers, feeding her fear. In a battle with cold, will she find her way, or lose herself to the depths of decay? Uzi rebellious with a heart full of fire, chasing the truth, lifting dreams higher. From drones to humans, she reshapes her fate. In a world gone cold, still she waits and creates.